Hello, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. This is Ishan and welcome to my YouTube channel Ishan Vlogs. So guys, today I'm gonna show you the unboxing of a very budgeted action camera by Go Noise. The name of the model is Noise Play Vlog and this camera is very good for the vloggers. So here is the camera. Let's unbox it. Let's open it. So this is the camera itself. So this is how it's looking in the box. Let's unbox it. Let's unwrap it. So let me show you the accessories given with this camera. This is user manual. This is cloth to clean the camera. This is mic for moto vlogging or any other vlogging. These are the straps. This is helmet mount. This is for mounting helmet. This is also for helmet mount. This is for mounting on your camera on bicycle. This is the frame for the camera. This is thank you card given by the Noise. This is the charging cable. Let's open the camera. So this is how it looks. It's come with waterproof case. So let's remove it. This is the camera itself. So let me show you the accessories one by one. Then we'll come to the camera. So the camera comes with its waterproof casing. This camera have 170-degree wide angle, which is really good for moto vlogging. It comes with 2-inch LCD screen. The battery of the camera is 1050 mAh. It supports up to 64 GB class 10 memory card. You can shoot in it from 720 pixels up to 4K. You can take it up to 30 meters underwater. It supports built-in and external mic both. The camera is having built-in speaker in it. So now let's remove the waterproof casing and turn on the camera. To remove the waterproof casing, you just need to hold it from here. Just pull this. It's really simple. See the camera. To turn on the camera, just press M for 5 seconds. To turn it into the photo mode, just single press on M. Now it is turned into the photo mode. Actually this is not having any video file because I have not installed memory card. All the same, no photo. From here you can change the video resolutions. This is a setting for audio record. Sometimes it may be off. From here you can change the photo resolution. Time-lapse photo, burst photo. From here you can change the resolution of the photos. From here you can up or down the volume, the turning on sound, you can turn it off or on, exposure, white balance, effect of the camera, contrast, saturation, sharpness. From here you can change the language, you can turn the car mode on or off, power off automatically after 3 minutes you can turn it, date and time setting, date format, stamp, frequency, upside down, screensaver. From here you can directly turn off by pressing OK. To turn on the Wi-Fi, let's just press this up side button, just single press. You can contact it with Android and iOS, both the phones. The password is almost really same for all the cameras. My friend is having the same camera and his password is also the same. And here is the battery of the camera. So let's go out to take some shots in the camera. I hope you like the shots. I've bought this camera for only rupees 6,000 and I've bought this from official site of Go Noise. If you are a motovlogger, then I'll suggest you to purchase this camera because in this price range this camera is really worth it. I'm gonna make another video of noise play vlog later. In that video I'll show you the mic quality of the camera. So till then, see you. And if you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye.